Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Verizon cable box stuck on please wait, boot, freeze and signal fix. To fix the Verizon Fios cable box stuck on the please wait screen, you must perform a sequential network reboot, secure loose coaxial connections, or force a cold initialization. This screen appears when the set-top box hangs while loading firmware, loses communication with the Verizon server, or fails its internal boot handshake. Fix 1. Perform a sequential system power cycle. Disconnect the power cables from your Fios router, any Wi-Fi extenders, and the frozen Verizon cable box. Then wait for 3 minutes and let the internal capacitors drain completely to wipe temporary boot memory. Now plug the Fios router back in and wait for 3 to 5 minutes until its front status lights turn solid white, indicating active internet delivery. Next, reconnect the power cord to the Verizon box and let it reinitialize its connection to the fully powered network. Fix 2. Secure the coaxial and splitter line ports. First, tighten coaxial points. Twist the metal coaxial cable connectors clockwise by hand on the back of the cable box, the wall outlet, or any underlying splitters to ensure they are flush and tight. Next, bypass secondary splitters. If your line routes through a multi-way cable splitter, temporarily disconnect it and plug the wall source coaxial line directly into the back of your cable box to eliminate signal drop. Next, inspect for line kinks. Check the copper core pin inside the coaxial cable tip to ensure it is straight, unbent, and free of dirt or oxidation. Try sharpen the pin and try again. Fix 3. Force a hard, manual cold initialization. Unplug the power cord from the back of the Verizon Fios cable box, then plug the power cord back in. The moment you see green light or the text boot appears on the front display, rapidly tap the menu button on the Fios remote control until the front display changes the word run. Now press the down arrow button on your remote control until the front display reads cold, and press the OK or select button on the remote to initiate a hard system reflash. Fix 4. Trigger a remote signal refresh. First, use the MyFios app. Log into the app on your mobile device, navigate to support, then go to TV, then go to troubleshoot, and select Fix Now to send the target initialization signal. Next, use the web portal. Log into your personal Verizon dashboard via a browser, navigate to the television support panel, and click Reboot Set-top Box. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.